Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to change YouTube name on mobile. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open the YouTube app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account on which you want to change the name. The next step is to click on your profile picture icon in the top right corner. Now this menu will pop up with a bunch of different options related to your account. We'll click on the first option, which is your channel, and the option should be at the very top. You will see your YouTube channel open and you'll see this little pen icon at the right side, so click on it. When you click on that pen, it will open our channel editor where we can change our profile picture, cover photo, YouTube handle, and all that other stuff. We'll change our channel name, so tap on this pen here and just type a new name for your account. It says here that we can change per name 2 times in 14 days, so just keep that in mind. When you are happy with your new name, just tap on the Save button at the top right and your changes will be applied. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.